What is that? Wait. What we are cooking for today, Vlad?
Big pizza egg.
It's a pizza egg, guys. He want to eat pizza egg. Wait a minute. You just poke later. You show it to them, the small egg. Small eggs, guys. It's for him. Yeah, like this. Ay. Padasti. Daw niyang kumain ng pizza egg, guys. Because you... Ang dami. Look at this. All is inside, you know? Padasti. Naka tuloy yung egg niya, guys. You talk to them, Bye.
Hi, guys. Good morning, guys.
What else?
Milk